Established in 1875, BSE Ltd is one of Asia Euro unregistered trademark's fastest stock exchanges, with a speed of 200 microseconds and one of India Euro unregistered trademark's leading exchange groups. BSE is a corporatized and demutualised entity, with a broad shareholder base that includes two leading global exchanges, Deutsche Bourse and Singapore Exchange, as strategic partners. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in equity, debt instruments, derivatives, and mutual funds. It also has a platform for trading in equities of small and medium enterprises. Over the past 139 years, BSE has facilitated the growth of the Indian corporate sector by providing an efficient capital-raising platform. More than 5,000 companies are listed on BSE, making it the world's top exchange in terms of listed members. The companies listed on BSE Ltd command a total market capitalization of $1.51 trillion as of May 2014. It is also one of the world Euro unregistered trademark's leading exchanges for index options trading. BSE also provides a host of other services to capital market participants, including risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services, and education. It has a global reach with customers around the world and a nationwide presence. BSE systems and processes are designed to safeguard market integrity, drive the growth of the Indian capital market, and stimulate innovation and competition across all market segments. BSE is the first exchange in India and the second in the world to obtain an ISO 9001-2000 certification and the Information Security Management System Standard BS 7799-2-2002 certification for its online trading system. It operates one of the most respected capital market educational institutes in the country. BSE also provides depository services through its Central Depository Services Limited arm. BSE Euro unregistered trademark's popular equity index, the S&P BSE Sensex, is India's most widely tracked stock market benchmark index. It is traded internationally on the EUREX as well as leading exchanges of the BSES nations. BSE has won several awards and recognitions that acknowledge its work and progress, like India Innovation Award for the Big Data Implementation, ICICI Lombard and ET Now Risk Management BFSI Company 2013, SKOCH Order of Merit Certificate, the Golden Peacock Global CSR Award, NASCOM, CNBC TV 18 Euro unregistered trademark SIT User Awards, 2010 in Financial Services category, SKOC Virtual Corporation 2010 Award in the BSE Star MF category, and Responsibility Award by the World Council of Corporate Governance. Its recent milestones include the launching of BRIC Smart Indices Derivatives, BSE SME Exchange Platform, S&P BSE GreenX to promote investments in Green India. BSE Euro unregistered trademark's popular equity index, the S&P BSE Sensex, is India's most widely tracked stock market benchmark index. It is traded internationally on the EUREX as well as leading exchanges of the BSES nations. On Tuesday 19 February 2013 BSE has entered into strategic partnership with S&P Dow Jones Indices and the Sensex has been renamed as S&P BSE Sensex. History. The Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest exchange in Asia. It traces its history to 1855, when 4 Gujarati and 1 Parsi stockbroker would gather under banyan trees in front of Mumbai's town hall. The location of these meetings changed many times as the number of brokers constantly increased. The group eventually moved to Dalal Street in 1874 and in 1875 became an official organization known as the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. On August 31, 1957, the BSE became the first stock exchange to be recognized by the Indian government under the Securities Contracts Regulation Act. In 1980, the exchange moved to the Firoz Jeejeepoi Towers at Dalal Street, Fort area. In 1986, it developed the BSE Sensex Index, giving the BSE a means to measure overall performance of the exchange. In 2000, the BSE used this index to open its derivatives market, trading Sensex futures contracts. The development of Sensex options along with equity derivatives followed in 2001 and 2002, expanding the BSE's trading platform. Historically an open outcry floor trading exchange, the Bombay Stock Exchange switched to an electronic trading system developed by BSE Ltd in 1995. It took the exchange only 50 days to make this transition. This automated, screen-based trading platform called BSE Online Trading had a capacity of 8 million orders per day. The BSE has also introduced the world's first centralized exchange-based internet trading system, bseib.co.in, to enable investors anywhere in the world to trade on the BSE platform. Timeline. Following is the timeline of the BSE. 1830 to 1875. 1830s business on corporate stocks and share and bank and cotton presses started in Bombay. 1860 to 1865 cotton price bubble as a result of the American Civil War. 1870-90s sharp increase in share prices of jute industries followed by a boom in tea stocks and coal. 1875 to 1995, July 9, 1875 the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association formed. February 2, 1921 clearinghouse started by Bank of India. August 31, 1957 BSE granted permanent recognition under Securities Contracts Act. January 2, 1986 Sensex, country's first equity index launched. July 10, 1987 Investors Protection Fund introduced. January 3, 1989 BSE Training Institute inaugurated. July 25, 1990 Sensex closes above 1,000, January 15, 1992 Sensex closes above 2,000, March 30, 1992. Sensex closes above 4,000, May 1, 1992 SEBI Act established, May 29, 1992 Capital Issues Act repealed, 1992 Securities Appellate Tribunal established. March 14, 1995 BSE Online Trading System introduced, 1996 to 2000, August 19, 1996 First major Sensex revamp March 22, 1999 Central Depository Services Limited set up with other financial institutions, June 1, 1999 Interest rate swaps/forward rate agreements allowed, July 15, 1999 CDSL commences work, October 11, 1999 Sensex closed above 5,000, February 11, 2000 Sensex crosses 6,000 intraday, June 9, 2000 Equity derivatives introduced, 2001 to 2005, March 1, 2001 Corporatization of exchanges proposed by Union GOVT, February 1, 2001 BSE WEBX launched, June 1, 2001 Index options launched, June 4, 2001 BSE PSU Index introduced, June 15, 2001 WDM operations had commenced, July 2, 2001 VAR model introduced for margin requirement calculation, July 9, 2001 stock options launched, July 11, 2001 BSE Tech launched, India Euro unregistered trademark S first free float index, July 25, 2001 Dolex 30 launched, November 1, 2001 stock futures launched, November 29, 2001 100% book building allowed, December 31, 2001 all securities clearing moved to T+5, February 1, 2002 two-way fungibility for ADR GDR, February 15, 2002 negotiated dealing system established, April 1, 2002 T+3 settlement introduced, January 1, 2003 India Euro unregistered trademark S first ETF on Sensex, a Euro SPICE. Introduced, January 16, 2003 retail trading in GSEC, April 1, 2003 T+2 settlement introduced, June 1, 2003 BankX launched, September 1, 2003 Sensex shifted to free float methodology, December 1, 2003 T-Group launched, June 2, 2004 Sensex closes over 6,000 for the first time, May 17, 2004 second biggest fall of all time, circuit filters used twice in a day announced by SEBI, May 20, 2005 the Bse Scheme, 2005, August 8, 2005 incorporation of Bombay Stock Exchange Ltd, August 12, 2005 Certificate of Commencement of Business, August 19, 2005 BSE becomes a corporate entity, 2006 to 2010, February 7, 2006 Sensex closed above 10,000, July 7, 2006 BSE Gujarati website launched, October 21, 2006 BSE Hindi website launched, November 2, 2006 A-shares BSE Sensex India tracker listed at Hong Kong Stock Exchange, January 2, 2007 launch of Unified Corporate Bond Reporting Platform, Indian Corporate Debt Market, March 7, 2007 Singapore Exchange Limited entered into an agreement to invest in a 5% stake in BSE, May 16, 2007 appointed date under the scheme that is date on which corporatization and demutualisation was achieved. Notified by SEBI in the Official Gazette on June 29, 2007, January 10, 2008 Sensex all-time high 21,206.77, October 1, 2008 Currency derivatives introduced, May 18, 2009 The Sensex raised 2,110.70 points and index-wide upper circuit breaker applied, August 7, 2009 BSE, USE form alliance to develop currency and interest rate, August 24, 2009 BSE IPO index launched, October 1, 2009 Bombay Stock Exchange introduces trade details facility. For the investors, October 5, 2009 BSE introduces new transaction fee structure for cash equity segment, November 25, 2009 BSE launches Fast Radius and a new market access platform, December 4, 2009 BSE launches BSE Star MF a Euro mutual fund trading platform, December 7, 2009 launch of clearing and settlement of corporate bonds through Indian Clearing Corporation Limited, December 14, 2009 Marathi website launched, December 18, 2009 BSE's new derivatives rates to lower transaction costs for all, January 4, 2010 market time changed to 9:00 a.m. 3:30 p.m., January 20, 2010 BSE PSU website launched, April 22, 2010 new DBM framework at Rs 10 lakhs, 90% reduction in membership deposit, May 12, 2010 dissemination of corporate action information via SWIFT platform, July 23, 2010 options on Bolt, September 21, 2010 first to introduce mobile-based trading, September 29, 2010 introduction of smart order routing, October 4, 2010 EUREX, Sensex Futures launch, October 11, 2010 launch of Fast Trade on Web, exchange-hosted platform, November 5, 2010. Sensex closes above 21,000 for the first time, November 12, 2010 commencement of Volatility Index, November 22, 2010 launch of SLB, December 10, 2010 launch of SIP, December 27, 2010 commencement of Sharia Index, 2011 to 2014, November 17, 2011 Maharashtra and United Kingdom Environment Ministers launched concept note for BSE Carbon Index, December 30, 2011, picks up a stake in the proxy advisory firm, Institutional Investor Advisory Services India Limited, January 7, 2011 BSE Training Institute Limited with IGNOU launched India's first two-year full-time MBA program specializing in financial market, January 15, 2011 co-location facility at BSE, tie-up with Namagic.com, February 22, 2012 launch of BSE GreenX to promote investments in Green India, March 13, 2012 launch of BSE SME Exchange Platform, March 30, 2012 BSE launched trading in BRIC Smart Indices derivatives, February 19, 2013, Sensex becomes S&P Sensex as BSE ties up with Standard & Poor's to use the S&P brand for Sensex and other indices. November 28, 2013 launch of currency derivatives, January 28, 2014 launch of interest rate futures, February 11, 2014 launch of institutional trading platform on BSE SME, April 7, 2014 launch of equity segment on Bolt Plus with median response time of 200 hours of operation. The hours of operation for the BSE quoted above are stated in terms of the local time. BSE's normal trading sessions are on all days of the week except Saturday, Sundays and holidays declared by the exchange in advance. Indices. The launch of Sensex in 1986 was later followed up in January 1989 by introduction of BSE National Index. It comprised 100 stocks listed at 5 major stock exchanges in India, Mumbai, Calcutta, Delhi, Ahmedabad and Madras. The BSE National Index was renamed BSE 100 Index from October 14, 1996 and, since then, its calculations take into consideration only the prices of stocks listed at BSE. BSE launched the dollar-linked version of BSE 100 Index on May 22, 2006, the BSE 200, and the DOLX 200 on May 27, 1994, the BSE 500 Index and 5 sectoral indices in 1999, and the BSE PSU Index, DOLX 300, and the BSE Tech Index in 2001. Over the years, BSE shifted all its indices to the free float methodology. BSE disseminates information on the price-earnings ratio, the price-to-book value ratio, and the dividend yield percentage of all its major indices on day-to-day basis. The values of all BSE indices are updated on a real-time basis during market hours and displayed through the Bolt system, the BSE website, and newswire agencies. All BSE indices are reviewed periodically by the Bse Index Committee. This committee, which comprises eminent independent finance professionals, frames the broad policy guidelines for the development and maintenance of all BSE indices. The Bse Index Cell carries out the day-to-day maintenance of all indices and conducts research on development of new indices. Sensex is significantly correlated with the stock indices of other emerging markets. Awards. The World Council of Corporate Governance has awarded the Golden Peacock Global CSR Award for BSE's initiatives in corporate social responsibility. The annual reports and accounts of BSE for the year ended 31 March 2006 and 31 March 2007 have been awarded the ICAI Awards for Excellence in Financial Reporting. The BSE has been cited as one of the world's best-performing stock market by Reuters. The Human Resource Management at BSE has won the Asia Pacific HRM Awards for its efforts in employer branding through talent management at work, health management at work and excellence in HR through technology. 1993 Bombay bombings at BSE, on Friday 12 March 1993 at 1:30 p.m. A powerful car bomb exploded in the basement of the Bombay Stock Exchange building. The 28-story office building housing the exchange was severely damaged, and many nearby office buildings also suffered some damage. About 50 were killed by this explosion. See also, Calcutta Stock Exchange, Firoz Jayapur Towers, Clause 49, National Stock Exchange of India, companies listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, list of South Asian stock exchanges, references. External links, media related to Bombay Stock Exchange at Wikimedia Commons, NISM certifications, free study material and mock tests.